Hi, my name's Lori. I'm an existing patient of RevitalyzeMD. I've been with Revitalize for about 4 years. I'm also a very dear friend of Dr. Durst, so I come down, I get all the things and try everything out. I want to talk to you today about the 4D facelift, the Fotona laser. It's one of my favorites due to the retexturing of the skin is something I need dearly. And I've been talking to a lot of patients about this. I always talk to everybody when I come in, and they always ask, how uncomfortable is it? Does it hurt? And I mean, there's always going to be some discomfort to things. You're not coming here for a facial. But one point I wanted to do a testimonial about is that you can get AccuFit or Transform while you're having the 4D facelift. So what that does, it's a distraction for your brain because you're gonna have muscle stimulation with the AccuFit and the Transform. So you can do your abs and your quads in the front of your legs, and it's just a nice distraction so that whenever you are getting the more intense parts of the 4D, it just helps. It's just a really good distraction. I really like it because I'm super sensitive. I'm one of the most sensitive people, but this just is the perfect combination of treatments. And I really think it's a good thing. I wanted to make a point to say that it's just a really good thing that would be great for people to do, to couple the 4D and the AccuFit and Transform together. It just makes the service just that much better.